Hey, good evening, Micro Map here. Doing an evening walk here. Actually, yeah, pretty much. We got the sunset. You can check it out. Look at that pretty. Look at that. So nice, nice sunset there. Good time to go for a stroll. It's not that hot, obviously. Um, Rode some bike earlier today. Didn't do the pool. I added salt into the pool. It's been raining so much that I have to add. I've already added like 2 or 3 bags of salt. But I told the people at the pool place, this salt stinks. I think they were ripping the people off because they brought in new bags of salt. When I opened the bag of salt, it was bigger granulars. It was bigger, thicker. So I don't even think there was salt in those bags or whatever in the other ones. So they did change it. Can't go wrong with Morton's, that's for sure. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Um, so I did a weigh-in today, 243, even keel. It's fine, little by little. Today's July 21st. August 10th will be 2 months. So I wish I would have started at the beginning of the month, but it is what it is. I started on June 10th. So we're 41 days into my whole lifestyle change back to keto for life deal and doing the intermittent fasting, high fat, low carb deal. I'm actually sleeping less because I have more energy. Today my back's a little bit sore, but I've been laying more on I was on the recliner working and trading. Not as active today, and I haven't gone in the pool because I put the chemicals in the pool, so I let that settle. So maybe this walk will loosen up my back and make me feel better. I left the two because the Marlins are losing 6-0, so they're getting shellacked. That'll be 7 in a row. So I mean, maybe if I'm not too busy tomorrow, Sunday, I might go to the game. Hopefully, my presence will snap the losing streak. It has happened before. Good movie, Major League. I checked out a couple of movies called Goon. I watched Goon. It's a hockey movie and fighting. Is The first one was in 2011, and I watched the sequel, which is 2017. Pretty funny movies if you like fighting and hockey. You'll enjoy it. I recommend it. They're short, like an hour and a half. Watch those two videos. But yeah, no, getting healthy. I just had a friend come by the house, and he said, "Hey, you look skinnier," and that's good news. I'm like, "Yeah, I'm trying to lose some weight." So, 243. My goal would be, I mean, I would love to be on August 10th. Um, I know you shouldn't put these goals on yourself but it's always good to have goals. Um, and this is short term. But if I can get to 235, that would be great. That's another 8 pounds. 8 pounds, and we have 9, 10. I think July has 31 days, so 10 and 10, 20 days. 9 pounds, and yeah, that's gonna be tough. 9 pounds in 20 days, that's tough. So I'll be happy if I break the 240s and I get to 239. I'll be very, very happy with 239 to start almost midway through August. That would be great. I'll be very happy with that. So did a little bit of cycling, and now I'm doing some walking. No swimming today. Maybe I'll pick up the dumbbell here and there. And if I get hungry tonight, I bought a cup. Man, I bought three, and they're not even thick. 3 ribeyes, not even thick, skinny ribeyes. $30, man. $30 at Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. Meat prices are insane. I was talking to my friend, and he's like, "I haven't eaten meat in a while." Like, damn, yeah. You can get ground beef. Anything you could do that's satisfying is gonna be good if you need to get healthy or lose weight. Look how pretty that looks. Yeah, not pretty. So yeah, man, up to 450 plus subscribers. I really don't care as long as the right subscribers and they're engaged. And everybody that chimes in, I try and get back to. Um, it's funny. I watch some other channels, and I don't know if this happens to you. I love YouTube, but I think it's so cool. Um, I go into other channels that people have 200,000 subscribers, and I put, "Hey, whatever. I put a comment and they always put text me or what's up me. That has to be a scam, I would assume. Um, in regards to YouTube, YouTube actually increased their premium plans. So I think I was paying $15.99, and I think they went up to $18.99. I want to say it was. So they went up on their subscription. I pay because I can't watch commercials when I watch YouTube. It just drives me bonkers. And I have the YouTube Music. So that's the only subscription I actually pay for. I don't. I actually do Amazon Prime. Um, but I don't use Hulu. I don't. I don't even. I don't. I don't even think. I don't have Netflix. I don't pay for Netflix. I think my wife does password sharing with somebody or something like that. And they pay the money. I don't know. I have some streaming sticks, which I'm super happy with. I got plenty of channels and shows. I'm good with that. So I don't even pay for cable. Cheap. Uh, my internet service. I do have fast internet service. I have fiber optics with AT&T, and I pay $80 a month for that. And my streaming is $30, and I have 5 TVs with the streaming. So actually 30, 35. No, my bad. 45. It's 45 for the 5 TVs. My bad. So I'm in for buck 25, if my math is correct. I try and keep the expenses down. The one that's killing me is energy. Man, I can't get the we have FPL here, Nextera Energy. Can't get that one down. That one's 450 in the summer. But I work from home and we're always home, and I got my mother-in-law home and the kids home for summer, so we have the AC running at 70 all day and TVs, and I got the pool and jacuzzi. Whatever, man. It is what it is. It's a luxury. Um, but I don't I don't go out much. I don't eat much. If you want to eat healthy, you better eat at home. That's just my 2 cents. Cook your stuff. You know what you're getting. Um, enough of that. Markets. I was actually like today. I was like, and I'm busy with work. Uh, Last month was good, and this month has been pretty good too as well. It's wrapping up. July is wrapping up, and it's a decent month. Um, I was like, "Man, I gotta get more active. I gotta get more active." So I did like 17 trades today. I did some shorts on some of them. I did AutoNation, Carvana. No, Carvana, no. AutoNation, American Express. See, actually, let me open up. I'll open up for you guys. Let's take a look. So I bought stock in my Tasty Trade account. I think I might have bought can't remember. I think it was actually no, I didn't buy. I sold a little bit of Alta. You need to raise some cash there. Okay, so in my TD, I did a put credit spread in American Express. I did a call credit spread in Starbucks for it to go back down. I did a call credit spread in Super Microcomputer, even though I own the stock, but I own it like at 150. Things like at 300 and something. That's crazy. So I think I think it's kind of like parabolic. So I think it will revert to a mean a little bit. So I sold the call credit spread in there. I did a zebra. I think it was. Oh no, is it a zebra? I think it was a zebra. Delta Buster. I'm not sure. I did a custom trade in Neo. I'm basically long more than 100 shares in Neo for like $312. I got more than 100 shares in Neo. Qualcomm, I did a broken wing butterfly to the call side. Did an iron condor in Microsoft. I did a broken wing butterfly in Meta. I did an iron condor in SoFi. No, SoFi. I did an iron fly. Iron fly. AMC. I did put credit spread. AutoNation put credit spread. I saw the cover call in XLE, cover call in XOP because my calls expired today, so I wrote new ones for 56 days out, and I don't mind that they take my 100 shares away on those energy ETFs at much higher levels. I did a broken wing butterfly in Netflix. I closed a coin broken wing butterfly for a full loss. I did a straddle in Sirius XM. I did a straddle in that one, and I bought the 10 for protection in case they went bonkers to the upside because there's a short squeeze play and takeover rumors. I did a broken wing butterfly in AMD. I closed Amazon for another credit, and I did a put calendar spread in Apple. So I was pretty active. Let's go take a look at the futures. How the market's closed today. So the 10-year 383, the dollar was up to 101. So it finished over 101. All foreign currencies pretty much mixed bag. Bitcoin up 115. Oil up to almost $77 a barrel. And that can cause problems and pressure on the market because oil is when oil goes up, it causes inflation to get worse because energy it's an input that you for transport in planes and trucks. Uh, Anything that gets to a supermarket has to go through trucks. So if prices of freight and gas are higher or diesel, it's going to reflect. They have to mark up the goods. So that's a hamper on stocks and the economy in general. S&P down 1, gold down 7. Well, we talked about meat prices. They're just outrageous. It's ridiculous. Um, Small caps down 10 almost. Nasdaq down almost 40. Nat gas 273. Palladium and platinum were up a little bit. Silver a little bit under 25. VIX under 16, down 15 cents. And the grains were down some, especially wheat were down 30 cents. Corn 9 cents. And soybeans down 5 cents. And those were your futures. Um, Good week on the trading front, on the account front. We had some pressure on the Nasdaq, and I needed that. I'm taking some pain in there in the individual accounts, but overall, I want to say I'm up. I mean, the 401k is up over 10%, close to 15% on the international stuff. I've started to allocate some stuff into some small caps because I think you'll get some rotation. Actually, the rotation out of the Nasdaq was into the Dow Jones this week. Dow Jones outperformed all the indexes. Precious metals, I'm up on the year. Um, the only thing that I'm not really up is in the individual accounts because of the tech trade, and I've been rolling them out in time. Next week is a huge week for the market. I think the Fed has a meeting, and all the big dogs report. I know Microsoft reports. I think Meta, Google. I'm not sure if Apple's on that week in that week, but a lot of big names report next week. So it's going to be a big week. In regards to the economy, a lot of indicators saying it's not good. Leading indicators saying it's not good at all. I know car prices are coming down a lot. Um, and housing, I mean, chime in if you guys are buying housing or looking at housing or trying to get uh, an investment property. Just interest rates are crazy. It's over 7%. Makes no sense. Not even a one-to-one apartment. At least here in Miami, it don't make sense. Um, I was looking at houses with my friend that we were looking back in 19 and 20 that they were asking like 400,000, 350. Those houses now are like 700,000, 650. It's crazy in this area in Miami. So, anyways, the kiddo got some training tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm gonna head out to the ball game. Just gonna relax and keep working on the diet, get my steps in, and do some reading and studying, and keep hustling. Anyway, see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share the video and comment. Take care. Bye-bye.